Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly delete chat messages on Discord using the Me6 bot. First, open a web browser and search for the official Me6 bot website. Make sure you're on the real site, then click the blue Add to Discord button. A new page will open showing the permissions Me6 needs. Make sure you're logged into the Discord account that owns or manages the server where you want to delete messages. Next, click Authorize in the bottom right corner. You'll then see a list of your Discord servers. Click Setup on the server where you want to use Me6. Discord will ask you to confirm connecting the bot to that server. Click Continue. Now you'll see a list of permissions. Leave Administrator enabled so the bot can manage messages properly, then click Authorize. Complete the CAPTCHA to confirm you're not a robot. Once that's done, you'll see a message in your server saying that Me6 has joined. You'll also see the bot listed as online on the right side of the screen. Now you can start deleting messages. Go to the text channel where you want to remove messages and type the command !clear, followed by a number. For example, typing !clear 50 will delete the last 50 messages in that channel. Press Enter to run the command and those messages will be removed instantly. If you want to delete messages from a specific user, type !clear followed by the username mentioned. This will delete that user's most recent messages in the channel. Once the command runs successfully, the messages will disappear right away. And that's how you delete chat messages quickly on Discord using the Me6 bot. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.